Understanding significant figures is vital for anyone working with measurements and data. In this video, we'll break it down for you in a simple way. Accurate measurements are key in science, engineering, and beyond, which is why significant figures play such an important role. What are significant figures? Significant figures are the digits in a number that carry meaning about its precision. They include all the non-zero digits and any zeros between them, or after a decimal point. 3 rules for counting significant figures. Let's break down the 3 rules for counting significant figures. Rule number 1, all non-zero numbers count. All non-zero numbers count as significant figures. This means any digit that is not zero is always considered significant. So, in the number 1, 2, 3.45, all 5 digits are significant figures. This gives us a total of 5 significant figures. Rule number 2, zeros between digits count. Zeros that appear between non-zero digits also count as significant figures. And take the number 1004, for example. The zeros between the 1 and the 4 are significant because they are sandwiched between non-zero digits. This means 1004 has 4 significant figures. Rule number 3, trailing zeros after a decimal point count, but leading zeros don't. Trailing zeros after a decimal point are significant, but leading zeros before the first non-zero digit are not. In the number 0.00450, the leading zeros before the 4 are not significant, so we ignore them. But the digits 4, 5, and the trailing 0 after the decimal point count as significant. This means this number has 3 significant figures. How to round correctly? When rounding to significant figures, round to the last significant digit. If the next number is 5 or higher, round up. Here we have the number 123.456, and we need to round it to 3 significant figures. To round to 3 significant figures, we focus on the third digit, which is 3. The next digit after it is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, we do not round up. In science, we often use scientific notation to show significant figures clearly. For example, the number 4,500 meters can be written as 4.50 times 10 to the power of 3 to explicitly show that there are 3 significant figures. Now you know the basics of significant figures. Whether you're in a lab, engineering, or math class, knowing how to work with significant figures ensures your measurements are accurate and precise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science tips. See you next time.